a section, a perfect section of a sagittal section of the male pelvis. Here you can see the pubic bone is cut here. So the urinary bladder is visualized just behind the pubic bone is the urinary bladder. Obviously, the urethra is opening. First, it is embraced by the prostate, as you can see here. Next, it pierces a diaphragm, that is the urogenital diaphragm, or we can call it as the perineal membrane. This is the perineal membrane or the urogenital diaphragm, or we can call it as the membranous part of the urethra. Again, it enters the corpus spongiosum of the penis. So this is the penile part of the urethra. It goes all the way down and it reaches the glans penis. Now, that is all about the penis, urinary bladder and the prostate. Now, let us have a look at the red cord here. So here your testis is located outside the abdominal cavity here. The sperm produced from the testis is taken up by the epididymis, that's the head of the epididymis, the body of the epididymis, tail of the epididymis. Now it goes all the way up as the vas deferens. Now you can see the vas deferens enters the inguinal canal. Along the inguinal canal, it is taken into the pelvis just above the pubic bone, as you can see here. So it goes into the pelvis. That means the sperm which is produced in the testis is traveling up along the epididymis, along the vas deferens, and is entering into the pelvic cavity like this. Now it is traveling above the urinary bladder. You can see the vas deferens is moving up above the urinary bladder, then goes behind the urinary bladder. Okay. Here it joins with the seminal vesicle, the secretions from the seminal vesicle and the vas deferens joins together to form the ejaculatory duct. So this is the ejaculatory duct which is opening into the prostatic urethra here, and it is opening along with the passage of the urine, that is the urethra, and it is ejaculated along the penis. So that means there is a common passage for the urine which is formed in the urinary bladder. You can see the tip of the ureter here coming from the kidney here, and the urine is stored in the urinary bladder. It is secreted or it is ejected through the urethra. So there is a common passage for the urine as well as for the semen. It's a common passage, that is the male urethra. Thank you.